So guys, now that we have these new animations, when you go in these new animations, in order to cry out, once you press this, you stop. And once you press it again, you start again. So once you start this, do it. And once you do this, you stop making the hurt. And then when you sleep, when you're going to sleep, you take this off your head like these and these. And when you stop, you stop and press it again, you start again. I don't know this. Okay, this one is nothing. Then once you go to thinking the same thing, press her, you stop. Press her again, you start again. Star dance for only VIP. Once you start it, then once you press it, I stop. Then now that I'm in Star Dance, let's go to talking. You talk, and take this message out of your head. And take this thing out. Then when you stop, the thing stops. Then, so you go back in animations. And then you go to angry. Then you go to angry, the same thing. You press this and you stop. So it's the same thing. So those are all new things in Brookhaven. Bye!